Okay, hi guys. I'm here at the chicken coop, but I haven't had the keys to go in, so I just decided that I'll take this minute to do a video um, for everyone who actually watch my videos. But a lot of people have asked me why I, you know, am so into chickens or animal, and why I, moved to this smaller town and switch my lifestyle. Well, the number one reason is I was suffering from depression, and I wasn't when about a year ago, I wasn't happy with my life, and I was really, really sad. And with depression, I'll be honest. I thought about suicide. I thought about why can't my life be better? Why can't I do this, or why don't I have this, and I was you know really, really, my family was really, really suffering from me suffering from depression. So my husband and I, we decided to move here and to kind of help me heal. And today I am much happier, and a lot of it has to do with my husband, his willingness to put up with me, and a lot of it has to do with my willingness to let go of what society wants me to be. And in a culture, we always, we don't talk about this kind of stuff because we want to be strong. We don't want anybody to look down on us, but that's reality. That I mean that's some expectation from people. That's why we don't talk about it. And I was willing to, I'm willing to admit that I was suffering from depression, and I'm willing to admit that I let this kind of lifestyle healed me, because I'm willing to let go of the I want, and unwilling to return, and just being out here with just the animals, it makes me feel at peace. Look, there's no cars, there's no people, there's no one telling me that I have to be a certain way, look a certain way, have a certain car, have a big house. This is just a chicken telling me that, hey, I need to be fed, I need water, um, all that. It's just simple stuff, simple life stuff. I need to eat, enjoy the sun, you know, sleep, and do it all over again. There's no, big house, big car, spend, best clothes. Honestly, I'll be really honest. Like every time I go back to the cities, I get so overwhelmed and stressed out with the cars, the people, how busy it is. I get anxiety. I get stressed out, and with people who are like me, who I get stressed out easily. So this out here helps me relax. Quietness, just the animal, it helps me. So if you are wondering why I'm out here with the chickens and the goats, the garden, you know, it's because I was suffering from depression. I felt like I had no other way out but this kind of lifestyle, the peace, calm, quiet lifestyle has helped me fight depression. It helped me be happy and be grateful for what I had. Be happy and be grateful for who I am with today, not tomorrow. Be happy and be at peace for who I am. You know, I don't have to have a great house. I don't live in a great house. I don't have to have a fancy car. All I have to have is peace and happiness. And this is my happiness. I am happy. You know, I feel at peace every time I come out here to feed my chickens, give them water. I feel at peace when I am in my garden. You know, I just am at peace. And you know, so for all the ones that are wondering why I am into my chickens, why I, you know, moved here to this small town, why, you know, I could wake up and, you know, go to the chicken coop. It's because, you know, sometimes we as human beings make our life way too complicated, and we have to be willing to take a step back, look and analyze if we really need all the things that society tell us we need. Because you know, I think we don't really need it, but it's what society tells us. So that's my video for today. So if anybody wants anything else or wants to know anything else, feel free to let me know. And see you guys until next time.